Hi, today let's make something beautiful with one of these Paper Discovery die sets. Alright, out of two die set I decided to work with this one, and I cut all the three design out to show you how they look like. As you can see, these dies won't cut all the way out, and actually they cut through your layer. And if you want to cut it all the way out, like this one that I did and I'm going to use to make my card, there is three rectangular die in this bundle that can be used to cut the die cut out. Of course, you always can use your trimmer or X-Acto knife to cut around the design that you cut into your paper. So simply can be cut around it and make it whatever size you like. So that's that. For my card, I think I'm going to make some type of birthday card for kids, but what I want to do, probably I'm going to make it like a shaker card. What I like to do to make it easier to put the foam tape behind it, I want to make a few frames around this die cut to decorate it more, and you know, it's a lot easier to put a foam tape behind this frame instead of these intricate die cut. So now I'm going to show you how you can cut these frames with your trimmer or X-Acto knife. It's very simple. I'm going to use my trimmer, but I will show you how to cut it with X-Acto knife as well. If you can't see exactly where your trimmer cuts, you can use X-Acto knife and a ruler and cut these frames out. Okay, I want my frames to be 3.5 inch by 8.5 inch, the same size as my card base. So first I'm going to cut this piece of cardstock to 3.5 inch. With my Fiskars trimmer, I can see exactly how the cut is going to be, especially with this wire here. So I don't know if you can see the wire in the camera or not. That's exactly where the trimmer will cut. So I want to cut the width of my frame in 3/8 of an inch. So I will put my cardstock here on 1, 2, 3/8 of an inch, and from the top I'm going to count 3/8 of an inch and go all the way through there like this, and I'm coming down again 3/8 of an inch above the bottom part of my cardstock, which is going to be 7 7/8 of an inch in this case. Then I will rotate my cardstock and do the same in all. Because I need to see it on top of the camera, it wasn't easy for me to be exact, but I hope you got the idea how to do it. With any trimmer you have, if you can see where it cuts, you can do this. And most of the regular trimmers, you can see where you should stop from this thing. All right, the next frame will be going to be 1/4 of an inch, which can come on top of this one. So So for that one, I'm going to use the X-Acto knife to show you how to cut it. But first I need to cut my paper or cardstock actually to 3.5 inch by 8.5 inch. This method is even easier than that one. You just need to measure 1/4 of an inch. I prefer to mark it with a pencil somewhere so it's easier to work, but you can use self-filling mat measurements to work with it. That's a good option as well. But I like to make a few marks. This way I can be sure I'm cutting the correct measurements. Anyway, you simply can use your self-filling cutting mat as well. If I put it right here, I can use the 1/4 of an inch measurements from here and use this measurement from here as well, and then stop exactly 1/4 of an inch from the bottom side. To be honest, I think this method is easier than the other one, the trimmer one. I hope you got the idea. And for the last one, I'm going to cut it with 1/8 of an inch, and I'm going to use a pink glitter cardstock from this paper pad from Michaels. It's a Recollections brand. So let me cut that out and show you the rest of the card. By the way, to decorate my card, I will use a Anna Griffin baby icon cut and emboss folders, and I probably will use this die cut, which I simply used my brushes and distress ink to color it a little bit. Yeah, I'm not sure what color are they, because I've used whatever left in my brushes. I only wanted to see how they look like, but now I like it, and why not? I'm going to use it instead of waste it and throw it out. So that's that. And for the sentiment, I will show you what I pick and put on top of my card. really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.